What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another West Angling video. We're currently making our way down to this spillway. It's a pretty interesting little spillway. Lots of different fish that live in here. I actually don't know if I've made a video here, but we got the fly rod, we got the ultralight gear, and we're just gonna be fishing for whatever will bite. I haven't fished here in a while, so let's see if we can get down here without hurting ourselves. Okay, there we go. This is gonna be tough. Oh boy, feet are gonna get a little wet because we're walking on water right now. Concrete might be a little slippery, so we gotta be careful. I'm gonna put the phone down until we get back down there. All right, I had that little micro popper on there. I think I'm going to start out with this little bee vibe though. Little mini swim bait from Eurotackle. Black, high vis, super good color. We're gonna stick with that for right now. Got a fish. First one. Oh, he came off. I think it was a crappie, guys. Oh, that was the first one. Looked like a crappie to me. Okay, that's a good sign. Just a little crappie guy. There's a fish. No way. Bass. Oh, let's go. Let's go, baby. On the ultralight. That's actually a kind of it's a skinny, long fish. How am I gonna get him up here though? I gotta come down here. Oh, that's awesome. Woo, there we go, baby. On the bee vibe. Ooh, that's a pretty unhealthy looking fish, but I'll take it, man. I will take it. The Micro Swimbait catches bass too. That might be one of the skinnier bass I've caught this year. Let's get her back, him back. Another look at him. Super skinny fish, but on the ultralight, absolute blast. There you go. Woo! Let's go. First one, a bass. Can't go wrong with that, man. Can't go wrong with that. Literally right, I mean, they're hitting it right here. Dude, I get hit right there every time. Every single time I get hit almost right on the edge. Should I just I'm just gonna barely toss it out there. Or are they like following it in? I don't know. There's another one. Oh my gosh. Come back down here. There we go, guys. Oh, there, back he goes. Nice. Quick release. All right. All right, 2 bass so far on the little bee vibe swim bait. That's awesome. There's one. Is that another bass? Might be another bass. Yep, another bass. Holy cow, there's tons of them in here. We're getting even smaller though. Look at this wee little guy. Caught before. Dang. Oh, and back he goes again. I am just a master at releasing fish. Ah, I got a little excited there. There's one. That feels a little better. Finally. Oh, maybe because he's... Oh! That's because it's a walleye, dude. Oh my goodness. Oh. Dude, this is a walleye. You gotta be kidding me. Come here. Oh, he's got me good. No way. No freaking way, man. Oh, holy cow, dude. It's a freaking walleye. That's insane. Ladies and gentlemen, we got ourselves a nice little walleye on the Eurotackle B Vibe. First walleye right there on the B Vibe. Let's go. What's that? How do you keep getting tangled? Cinder blocks under there, just getting caught and yanking it out, so. No user error there? It might be a little bit. Where's the big ones? I actually just caught a nice walleye. It was, what's that? You let it go? Yeah, I did, yep. You own one of the pickups up there? No, I own that Acura TL right there. It's kind of parked right along the side of the road right there. Oh, is it? Ah, okay. I will get that fixed for you, sir. So are we able to park down in that little area down in there? Okay. That's what that's there for. Okay, gotcha. You ever try fishing over by them trees? I see a bunch of people always fishing over there. Are they? I've never tried it myself. I might have to go over to that spot then. Looked like there was a little trail that went down from that lot right there, so. Well, I appreciate you letting me know. Yeah, I got pretty lucky today, I guess. I've actually never caught a walleye out of here, so. You're welcome. Have a nice day, sir. Okay, well, all he wanted was me to move my car into that little lot right there. I was parked on the side of the road and I can't be parked there, so no big deal. He was super nice. Actually, this gives me an excuse. I had to go back and get some other pliers because my fly fishing pliers actually fell out of my pocket down into the water. I had to use my fingers to get that B Vibe out of that walleye's mouth, and that thing choked it. I didn't get bit, so that's good. But we're going back over in these trees. Let's see. My goal right now, I didn't think I'd catch a walleye. That's freaking awesome, dudes. But now I really want to catch a red ear sunfish and hopefully a big one. So we're gonna keep tossing this B Vibe around. We're going deep back in here. Let's see if we can catch one. I am content. You already know we gotta keep fishing though. So we got a fresh little B Vibe on right there. Always throw away your soft plastics. Don't leave them where you're fishing because they don't really, it's plastic, you know, like you don't want to leave that plastic laying around. So as you can see, we're just using that little, this tiny little guy, that little ball jig head right there. It's the soft lock jig head from Eurotackle as well. And I actually have a little announcement to make. I'm actually partnered up with Eurotackle now. So when I'm doing all this micro fishing stuff and ice fishing, I'm gonna be strictly using Eurotackle products. You guys have seen me use the products in the past. They work. I think they are the best in the biz when it comes to semis driving by. I think they're the best in the biz when it comes to the micro fishing game. So hopefully here soon I will have a code for you guys to use. For now I don't, but we'll hopefully be getting that code for you guys soon. All right, that's enough talking, enough rigging. We got another one on. Let's go catch another fish. Jeez, dude, I'm just getting so many little strikes right in that area. I'm thinking it's just a little bluegill. Oh, yep. There's a little bluegill following him. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. They just nipped off the tail again. Got one. Got a fish on the jerkbait. No, he came off. No, I had a crappie on the jerkbait and he came off. Oh, that sucks. Dang it. Well, that's a good sign. There's another one. Oh, he missed it, dude. Okay. That's funny because I was casting the B-vibe in that area and nothing was hitting it. But now that I got the little micro jerkbait on, they're hitting it. And I think they're all crappie down in there, which will add another species to the list. So let's see if we can get one of these guys again. Oh, there's one. Oh man, right. It's a bass. Holy cow. Let's go, dude. Well, nothing too crazy, just a little bass guy. Back he goes. On the jerkbait. That's the first one we landed on the jerkbait. There's a fish. There's one on the Panther Martin. It's tiny, but it's a new species. So this is the culprit. This is what's been biting off the tails of my little swim bait. These annoying little dudes. Just a tiny little bluegill. Little baby bluegill. What a tank. What an absolute tank. Okay, think I'm calling it now. Bite just completely died down. And over here hasn't been the best. Guys, we're done for the day. I'd call it a win. Caught some bass, caught that walleye. I hooked into about 3 crappie and I missed them all. That's all right. They weren't too big a crappie anyways, but man, it's just, sometimes it's so much fun just bringing out the ultralight and fishing with that, because no matter what you catch on the ultralight, it's gonna tug and it's just so much fun. So, bugs everywhere. Definitely gonna have to check myself for ticks. But yeah, I appreciate every single one of you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next West New England video. Peace out, everybody.